Total station surveyors play a crucial role in the development and planning of cities like Faridabad. With the rapid urbanization and expansion of the city, accurate and precise measurements are essential to ensure proper infrastructure and development projects. Total station surveyors utilize advanced equipment, such as total stations, to gather data on various aspects of the city's landscape. These professionals are skilled in using these instruments to measure distances, angles, and elevations with high accuracy. Faridabad city has witnessed substantial growth in recent years, with the establishment of new residential and commercial areas. In order to accommodate this growth, it is imperative to have proficient total station surveyors who can provide detailed surveys of the city's land. These surveys include mapping of existing structures, topographic surveys, and land boundary surveys. By accurately documenting the current state of the land, total station surveyors enable designers and architects to plan for future development projects effectively. One prominent company that specializes in total station surveying in Faridabad is SCON Design. SCON Design is renowned for its expertise in providing comprehensive surveying services for both public and private sectors. The team at SCON Design is equipped with the latest technology and has extensive experience in conducting precise surveys using total stations. Their dedication to delivering accurate results has made them a trusted name in the industry. By employing the services of total station surveyors from companies like SCON Design, developers and planners can make informed decisions regarding the design and layout of projects in Faridabad city. These professionals provide valuable insights into the existing conditions of the land, which helps in identifying potential challenges or constraints that may impact the development process. Total station surveyors are essential to the growth and development of cities like Faridabad. Accurate and precise measurements are necessary to enable proper infrastructure and development projects, given the city's increasing urbanization and expansion. Total station surveyors collect information on many facets of the city's terrain using cutting-edge tools like total stations. These experts are adept at using these tools to precisely measure elevations, angles, and distances. With the development of new residential and commercial sectors, Faridabad city has experienced significant growth in recent years. It is essential to have skilled total station surveyors who can offer thorough surveys of the city's property in order to handle this growth. These surveys include topographic surveys, land boundary surveys, and mapping of existing structures. Total station surveyors give planners and architects the tools they need to efficiently prepare for upcoming development projects, by precisely documenting the current status of the land. SCON Design is a well-known business in Faridabad that specializes in total station surveying. For delivering thorough surveying services to the public and private sectors,